Last night I did a video using Nano Banana and Google AI Studio. Follow me in 3 seconds. Let me teach you how I did it. Let's go there. So first of all, you go to Google, open the Google app. The next place you are going is Google AI Studio. Just tap Google AI Studio. To bring out an interface here, you go down, you see Google AI Studio here. You tap it again. Once it's open, it brings you to Nano Banana AI, Nano Banana space. You see Nano Banana, Nano Banana. Then you tap on it, tap on Nano Banana. Then it will give you an option to upload your video. You tap here to upload your picture. You tap there, you see upload file. You tap on that, and it will take you to your gallery straight. It will take you to your gallery. On the gallery, you just choose the picture you want to use for your prompt. So based on what I want to do, I need 2 pictures to do that. So I have uploaded one. You need to tap on upload again, then upload file. Go down to the gallery space again, then collect any picture you like that you want to use. I collect this one. So I have 2 pictures here. So you give it a prompt, type something, just type your prompt here. Dress us like cowboys with hat. Let a bear stand with us. Then you send it, you tap send, and it will generate. Just give it, you have to wait a little for the thing to load and generate what you want. You have given your prompt, just allow it to load. Now, see the bear. See what it gave us. The bear is here, and the pictures are there. Now, that's not what I want. I want to get a different picture. Now, I want the bear to be white. Make the bear white, and let it stand in between us. You send and allow it to load. Let's see what we get now. Let the bear be white and let it stand between us. It gave us white bear, but it did not make it to stand between us. But meanwhile, let me use this. So I download the picture. So once the picture is downloaded, then you go to an app called Grok AI, Grok. You tap on it. That Grok is where you're going to do that picture. You tap on the Grok, and then you are good to go. You are already on that space. You tap on the picture you want to use, and then boom, it's generating now. Let's see what it will give you. Even the bear is wearing hat as well. Now okay, now it is done now, but this is from the app, so you have to write up your own prompt and write what you want. You have to generate it the way you want it. This is what I wrote, and this is what it gave me. Fine. So this is the bear carrying the woman and walking. I hope you understand the explanations I give and how I did my own. Go and do your own, try your own, and you see what you're going to get. Good luck. Please follow my page, comment, and share so that others can as well learn from it. Thank you.